Ever wondered how to create stunning photo collages in Canva? Today, I'll show you a unique way to transform your images into a 2024 photo collage that's perfect for your year-end projects or social media. Let's dive in. First, let's add the text. I'm going to write 2024. Let's make it bigger so we can see clearly. Once the text is added, head over to the fonts and choose any font you like. For this tutorial, I'm using this font. Next, resize the text to make it bigger so it fills the entire canvas. Now click on the Share button and select Download. Make sure to check the transparent background option before downloading. Remember, this is a Canva Pro feature. If you don't have Canva Pro, don't worry. You can use a free tool like remove.bg to make your image transparent. You can also choose the size of the image. Once everything looks good, download the image. Next, go to this website. I've added the link in the video description. This website will split your image into pieces. Upload your transparent image here. Once uploaded, you'll see a few split options. You can choose a grid pattern and decide the number of rows and columns you want. Alternatively, you can use the split line option, which I prefer because it gives more control. Here, you can manually add horizontal and vertical lines to split the image exactly how you want. Once you've set it up, click Start, and the website will split the image into pieces. Before downloading, make sure the Order Images by Number option is selected. Then download the zip file and extract the images. This is how the pieces will look. Next, go back to Canva and add a new page. Drag the first piece of the image onto the canvas. Now, we need to convert these pieces into frames so we can add pictures to them. To do this, we need to install an app. Go to Apps, search for Frame Maker, and open it. This app lets you create custom frames, but today, I'll show you its Convert feature. This feature allows you to convert any element into a frame. It's a pro feature, but there's a free trial available. I'll leave the link in the video description for you to try it out. Once you've activated the trial, click on the Convert button. Set the size to maximum and make sure the transparent background option is selected. Choose the current page and click Export. Your piece will now be converted into a frame. Copy the converted frame and paste it onto above page. Make sure to place it in the exact position where it originally was. Now repeat this process for all the pieces. Add the next piece. Convert it into a frame. Place it in the correct position. Once all the pieces are converted into frames and positioned correctly, delete the extra page, then select this page go-to position and delete the behind text layer. Now comes the fun part. Start adding images into the frames. I'll use some stock images from Canva's Elements library. Drag and drop your pictures into each frame. You can resize them and adjust as needed. Once done, resize it and place it where you want. You can further design the collage by adding gaps between the pieces, changing the background color, or even adding additional elements. Here are two variations I created for inspiration. And that's it. You've just created a beautiful 2024 number photo collage in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative design tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.